Speaking of going green, joining us today is Zach Balmer, the Climate Program Manager for the City of Austin's Office of Sustainability. Thanks for joining us today. Good morning and happy Earth Day to you.
Happy Earth Day to you.
So today is the Earth Day Festival going on out at the Miller Development today. Talk about that a little bit and what message you hope to get out there.
Yep. So the Earth Day event today is going on from 12 to 6. We welcome, it's free. We welcome anyone from the community to come out and join us. There's going to be a lot of cool things out there for kids. There's going to be a maze, a petting zoo. There are going to be speakers lined up all day. So great information out there on everything you can do to go green in your work, your life, everything you do in the city of Austin.
Yeah, what are some things that we can do as a community to help the sustainability of our city?
Yep, so about a year and a half ago, the city of Austin formed the Office of Sustainability, which is where I work. And our job is to coordinate and implement sustainability initiatives and climate change initiatives across the city. Today, we're actually rolling out a brand new initiative at the event today. It's called the Sustainability Action Agenda, and we're sort of challenging folks in the community to rethink the way that they live, work, and play in order to ensure a bright green future for Austin.
And you brought some visuals here with you. What do you have today?
Yeah, so this is a picture of a poster that we're basically we'll be handing out, and as part of our informational material on the action agenda. So you can find this at austintexas.gov/sustainability. And this is basically the 40 initiatives of sustainability that we're trying to implement at the city. So each one of these initiatives basically is an initiative that the city is taking action in, and then we're challenging folks in the community to take action as well.
What are some of, just if you could highlight a few, what are some tips out there that people can do?
So we can pick one. So one is zero waste. So for zero waste, the city has curbside recycling, and we're challenging folks to take the next step and compost at home. So the city provides the resources of curbside recycling or compost bins, and then the resident needs to take that extra step to rethink the way that you dispose of your waste and compost.
How does Austin rank, I guess, if you're looking at major metropolitan areas across the country, how does Austin rank as far as its renewable energy and sustainability?
So there are many different ranking systems out there. Nobody is sure which one's actually right. But this year, Austin became the first city to purchase 100% of the power for local government operations from renewable energy. So that's a first. Our climate protection plan, with our goal of being carbon neutral by 2020, is definitely a leadership area for the city. So I would say that we are a leader in many ways.
Yeah, whichever one ranks Austin the highest, that's the one you have to go with. Thanks for being with us. We hope to talk to you a little later on this morning as well.
Great, thanks.
All right.